A few months ago, I was all set to trade my old Commodore on a new one, just like I had a couple of times before.
Different points of view to create three-dimensional pictures of the strands of the ring.
The panel declined to license Tacron 2 years ago, but since then the drug has undergone extensive clinical trials. Another new study out today shows a diet high in fruits and vegetables.
There's no reason not to stop into your John Deere dealer for a peek. Compliments of the people in a town called Horicon, at a company called John Deere.
To set overnight.
This is war. And the enemy?
Those new M&M's minis?
Bingo.
It's gotta be open.
Normal programming has been interrupted at the request of the Wisconsin Emergency Management Agency to bring you an urgent bulletin. This is not a test.
This is an activation of the emergency broadcast system serving the southeastern Wisconsin listening area. If you are not within the southeastern Wisconsin listening area, tune to other cable or radio stations which may provide information specific to your area now. This is WLSE serving Thorne County. Further information will be relayed as the situation develops through reliable news sources when available. Normal programming has been interrupted at the request of the Wisconsin Emergency Management Agency who bring you an urgent bulletin. A civil emergency is in effect for the following counties in Wisconsin: Thorne, Waukesha, Mandela, Yonder, following the mass abduction of over 3,000 infants and young children aged 1 to 4 years old from homes and places of residence. Early reports of children seemingly disappearing from their homes all across southern Wisconsin beginning at 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time suspect that most of these children were last seen interacting with numerous variations of analog or digital technology. Local authorities, despite their best efforts to draw a conclusion as to some sort of cause, are already baffled by such a nonsensical and disturbing phenomenon. At this time, do what you believe is necessary to protect your child's life. Close and lock all entrances to your home or place of residence, and shelter in place in a room as minimally exposed to the outside as possible, such as an interior room or storm cellar with loved ones until the event has concluded. Unplug and alert or destroy all types of analog or digital technology which may produce disturbing imagery or obtains the ability to relay any kind of information. The television or radio you are currently listening to relaying this message you cannot trust beyond this emergency bulletin. Do not travel, attempt to evacuate, nor go outside lest you may risk the lives of yourself and family. Evacuation from the affected areas is futile and will likely not prevent further abductions. Making as much room between yourself and deterring loved ones or young children away from radios and televisions is the safest and seemingly most effective option to prevent further harm. Unplug or destroy all capable technology and shelter in place now.
This concludes operations of the Wisconsin Emergency Broadcast System. All programmers may now resume or suspend transmission.
Ah, come on. There's nothing to get upset about. So you're a little sloppy. It's not a capital offense. My mother loses her car keys twice a day.
Well, I don't. And I'm not as sloppy.
What are you doing?